Hey, Laura Messiah here, and I thought I would drop in with a little channel update slash business slash life update. Mostly just business, but business is a big part of my life. So for those of you who have been long-time subscribers to this channel, you've probably noticed that things have shifted a little bit. When I first started this channel, oh my gosh, I don't even know how long ago, over 5 years ago, it was mostly focused on the how-tos of style, right? How to dress for a job interview, how to dress to hide a big butt, all the tips. Then we kind of moved more into the mindset and personal development coupled with style. And recently, I've been talking a lot more about business, entrepreneurship, especially pertaining to people who also want to be personal stylists for a living. Now, the reason for that is I've been teaching people how to start businesses and how to work in fashion literally for the past 12 years. I used to own a company called School of Style that I exited in October of 2020, and that is what I was known for, teaching people how to work in fashion, how to start fashion businesses. And I really didn't want to be known for that. I wanted to be known for anything but that. So I exited that company with the intention of not ever teaching personal stylists ever again. But a year of you guys DMing me, emailing me, begging me to return to teaching, it gave me pause. It actually gave me time to reflect on how I want to help people. And I actually really do like teaching people business, right? I really do like helping people make their career aspirations and dreams come true. I just didn't like doing it the way that I was doing it before. I don't know, it just didn't feel me. So I actually developed a brand new way of teaching that combines all of the things I love: fashion, entrepreneurship, mindset work, and personal development. And I came up with a brand new program. You may have heard of it. It's called Style Boss Academy. I've already got over 150 students enrolled, and they are kicking so much butt it hurts. Their success stories are running laps around the success stories of my previous business. Like, no shade, but it's true. So I have a renewed sense of energy around teaching entrepreneurship, teaching styling, because now I can really see what an impact it is making on my students. So I'm experimenting with bringing some of that content onto the channel. Now, I still will be doing style content, so don't freak out. I've got lots of video ideas and outlines already written up and ready to shoot, so that will be coming soon. But right now, I'm kind of experimenting with some of this career content and just, I don't know, see how it does, see how it feels. So hopefully you enjoy it. If not, sorry, but it's my channel. But other style things will be coming soon. So that's just like a little update about the YouTube channel. Now, in terms of, this new direction that I'm going in my business, although not new, just refreshed, revived, helping aspiring stylists and established stylists really build out their businesses so they are both purpose-driven and profitable. There are so many entrepreneurs that I'm seeing that are saying they're entrepreneurs, but their businesses are not making any money. Their businesses are poor imitations of things that they've seen online. And it pains me so much. So I am committed to doing this work to teach you guys how to really experience fulfillment and success, because it feels so freaking good. So there's a couple ways that you can get in on this if you want to. One, enjoy the free content. When I pop YouTube videos up on the channel, watch them, comment, share them, enjoy the freeness. In return, I just want a little love, some likes and some comments. If you want to take things to the next level, you can of course join me inside of Style Boss Academy, which is going to open up on May 12th. That's Thursday of this week, and it will close up on May 16th. Now, if you want something in between the two, then I highly suggest that you join my Build Your Style Empire free workshop, all right? This workshop rocks the freaking house. I have taught it before and people love it. As soon as you sign up, the link is down below, you will get this workbook. This is a like 12-page workbook. This is not one of those BS workshops that you hear about online where it's really just a sales pitch. No, this is a real workshop. Like, we are doing the work. I've got 3 core exercises that we're gonna go through, and they're totally transformative. You're gonna learn, 3 very important things. This is just within one lesson that are going to answer the question, why is my business not working? Once you figure out these 3 things, everything is gonna click and make sense. We are going to go through a visioning exercise so you can start thinking bigger. Y'all are thinking way too small when it comes to your businesses, and that is stifling you. It's stifling your creativity, and that's why you're not growing. When we expand the vision, when we couple it with those 3 key things I'm gonna teach you, you can leave the workshop massively expanded and take your business to the next level. Like, no fooling. Big time, all right? So we've got a lot of fun things to do inside of the workshop that are very, very transformative. I'm committed to giving you guys a good experience inside of the workshop. Again, the workshop is free. It's free. Why wouldn't you come? It's free. And actually, my business coach was like, you really need to charge money for this workshop. Like, really. People that have attended the workshop were like, no, you really should charge money for this. But I'm making it free. So come while it's still free. So there's 4 opportunities to join the workshop. May 12th, which is this coming Thursday. May 12th, 9 a.m. Pacific time. May 12th, 5 p.m. Pacific time. Friday, May 13th, spooky, Friday the 13th at 3 p.m. Eastern, or Saturday, May 14th at 12 noon Pacific time. So if you don't know what time that is in your time zone, just Google time converter. Pop in the time, pop in where you live, boom, it'll tell you. But I tried to do a wide variety of times so it could accommodate all y'all's schedules and wherever the heck you live in the world. But even if it's at 3 a.m. your time, I promise you it's gonna be worth dropping in to the workshop. So that's the update. Channel, we're ebbing, we're flowing, we're testing some things out. I hope you enjoy it. If you don't, the stuff that you're used to is coming back. If you wanna learn how to improve your business, definitely hop into this workshop and then consider joining Style Boss Academy when I open it up. But good first step, the workshop, because it's free. All right, there's the update. I've chatted with y'all long enough. Hope you enjoyed. If you know a personal stylist who wants to take their business to the next level, go ahead and tag them down below in the video. And actually, if you're still hanging in there and watching, comment with what you want to see on the channel. If you have a video idea, something you want to see, drop it down below and you might just see it coming up on the channel. All right, that's all. Peace out, y'all.